audio is definitely expanding in the IP area. So now we have Easy IP 10 cameras. So what you're doing is bringing 4 Easy IP 10 cameras, and it is PoE powered, so a single cable sending those cameras, and then to a decoder, so you can just easily switch between the streams of the 4 cameras.
This is a direct view LED wall mount solution, and when you install direct view LEDs, you need to be very precise. So these have the chief installer inspired, necessary XYZ adjustments, and the system is really modular. You can mix and match products, you can build squares, rectangles, or do some funky stuff. So great installer experience, and then you also have that flexibility and modularity.
Right. Now next to us is a contrast-based ALR screen, and you can go up to 5-6 meters, which is making us able to go in large venues. We still have an ALR family. It's a good application. So we're very happy to introduce it here.
The Executive Series is designed more as a furniture piece rather than a wall mount or floor mount for LED. This will be designed to go into any level of executive office, conference center, even a residential application. There'll be a variety of different wood finishes. It's designed to be extremely easy and simple to install. It's floor mount, it's ADA compliant.
We bought Neo because we wanted to up the game associated with all of the interaction devices, right? We knew that people are investing in their smart homes. They're going to spend a lot of money in many instances for something. They want an interface that gives them complete access to that home, and our interfaces can do that. Right. But there's a certain elegance here in this product, right, that is representative of what you've got now in your smart home.
Here at ISE we're showing a range of wearable products, including Bluetooth products you can now take into the office. We have cradles for them, and you can decide, are you using your Bluetooth with device with your mobile phone or your laptop? Do you want to connect it to your regular telephone and Bluetooth enable your regular telephone? And we have devices here, the Voyager Focus product, very, very well known, the Voyager 5200, now with Office Cradle.
We launched 2 years ago the thing that we call AV over IT, not IP, but AV over IT, and it's at the front of our booth, actually. What does it mean? It means that it's not just about bringing the right technology to the customer and trying to fit whatever challenges the customer has. It also brings that methodology of how you handle whatever you do, and we try to bring IT and AV together, not just from the technology perspective, but also from the personnel perspective.
We launched our DSP, the IntelliMix P300, which is our DSP box, a couple of years ago, and really leveraging the IntelliMix suite of processing, which includes acoustic echo cancellation, automatic mixing, noise reduction, and automatic gain control. So kind of that cocktail of sorts, right? In that box, we took that IntelliMix DSP and put it on the MXA 910 with a firmware upgrade. And that was kind of the big news of 6 months ago. So now we've taken IntelliMix to another level and removed the hardware element entirely and made it 100% software.
We simplified a lot of things, but also we added a couple of cool features. For instance, we added scheduling. So you might see that now we have scheduling panels next to our existing control panels. So these indicate with their red and green indicator if a room is booked or not. And we can just walk up to a panel and book a room. So before we had 2 separate systems and we needed to have 2 separate boxes to do that. And now on one system, which we call the Velocity Gateway, so they can actually configure their room control, so AV control. And at the same place, they will also have their AMS, which is the asset management system, where they can control all their devices.
What's the advantage of staying within the ecosystem and going with a Crestron digital signage player?
Best of breed. So AppSpace handles the software, we handle the hardware, and the reason why our hardware is so attractive to them is XIO Cloud.
Of course.
Our management software allows you to deploy, and one of the things AppSpace really gets right is speed of deployment and ease of deployment.
Right.
Well, XIO Cloud on the management side allows the hardware to be deployed just as quickly and just as simply. So it provides customers with that capability that they're really asking for.
That's fantastic.
What
the end of the day, the client's really interested in being able to have a great experience, right? And that's really what Crestron Home, what we've really focused on with Crestron Home, right? So if you're the dealer, you get a great experience because it just, you know, the software automatically just discovers all the devices live.
Yep.
You can immediately take control of those devices and test them without having to do any compiling or uploading or really any programming at all.
Right.
It's all done on the app, whether it's on an iPad or a laptop. So that's a great experience for them. For the homeowner, really, they just want a really intuitive, easy user experience. And they want to be able to control all the stuff in their house.
Right.
It's working with all the different Crestron devices, as well as tons of third-party partner devices. So whatever they have in the home, it works with it. It's simple, it's easy, it's intuitive, and so it's a win-win. Everybody loves it.
Got a brand new generator that we're really excited to show here at ISE this year. This is a fully modular chassis, so if you wanted to go the full amount of ins and outs, it's a 16 by 16. But maybe your project, you only have 8 sources. You want to do an 8 by 16, no big deal. You only buy 8 input cards. Maybe you want 12 by 14. So you can totally configure this for whatever the project calls for. And then maybe if you want to add another source later, you pop another card in, no big deal.